format the sheet. And format the sheet in front of you from start to end. So I'll create the employee records here. Here I'll type serial number, employee name, and suppose his city and his salary. Example I'm giving you. I want to create the employee records here. So to make these things bold, click on here. To make the italic, click here. To change the color of the text, you can change the color of the text from here. To increase the size of the font, click here and increase the record size. Simply. If I want to make all these 4 columns the same formatting, like I want this all in a bold and the same size, then one by one I will not do. In the bulk, simply click on this row. If you will click here on the 4 number record, then it will select full complete row. After selecting the row, click the formatting options that you want. Suppose I want all of them as a bold, I want all the text in a brown color, and I want all the text font size to be equal. Suppose I want these 4 columns colored as a suppose I will pick any color format. This is a text color format. See. Now my text color is also brown and back color field color is also brown. That's why I would change the text color to white. To make these things center aligned, simply click here. Click the drop down arrow. Click here. It would center align the things. To increase the row size, simply click on this 4 number. It will increase the row size. Now I want these records in the center. As you can see, they are not in the exact center of this column. So, to make them in a center, what I'll do, I'll select the full row and I'll select vertical align function here. In this, select the mid function. So you can see the records are here in the middle of this particular row. So these are the basic formattings of the table. If you want to change the font, you can change the font from here. Now, these grid lines are not looking good in this sheet. So if I want to remove these grid lines from here, what to do? Simply click on the view, untick these grid lines options. So as you can see, you got the cleaned and the proper sheet without grid lines. Now how I will manage the things? So to remove these extra blank spaces, simply click on this row, right click, delete the row. So the records have been shifted upwards. If you want to write something about the company like complete database, you can write like that. Tagline for this particular text, make it in a bold. You can change the color from here. You can change the font. You can do them italic like that. Now, what I want grid lines to this particular table. So I will select this table like that. After selecting, click on this borders. Add the borders here. As you can check only the things where I want the grid lines, or you can say the borders that are come up here. Now, if you want to add some records here, simply type in here to make them fully list. Just simply select the data from here and drag them down so that automatically all the numbers would be generated. Write the name of the employee. Just for an example, I'm writing it. As you can see, all the records come up here. Write the city name like that only. Suppose I'm writing the Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Chennai, like that. And I want all of them alternately. So just select them all and drag them. Then same sequence would come up here. Like Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Chennai. If I would drag it down, again that thing would come up here. So I will decrease some size of this particular column here. Now write the salary. Suppose it's 20,000, 10,000. For an example, I'm giving you 15,000, 50,000, like that. And these are the salaries for this particular employees. Now, the formatting of the table matters because as you see this table, this text is a left aligned, this is also left aligned, and this text is a right aligned. So how to come up with this problem? To select the full table from this thing, see, I have selected from this grid lines, or you can select the full table from here also. Simply click here and drag up to what you want to change the formatting. So I would make everything in a bold. So as you can see, everything in a bulk come up with the bold formats. Now I want to make this text in a, suppose, left aligned, all of them in a left aligned. So select here left aligned. As you can see, all text and numbers gone to the left side. If you want all of them in a right side, so you can do like that. If you want all of them in a middle, you can do like that. So this table have been created.